We are pleased to show you the 2026 A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.